Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com, who makes NatureThroid and where is it manufactured? NatureThroid is made by RLC Labs located at 1850 East Riverview Drive, Phoenix, Arizona. RLC Labs manufactures, labels and distributes porcine-derived thyroid drug tablets for human use under the brand names of NatureThroid and WP ThyroidNatureThroid. NatureThroid is a natural desiccated thyroid replacement therapy obtained from pig thyroid glands that is a prescription medicine. First released in the 1930s, it was one of the first available medications for hypothyroidism. It contains T4 and T3 replacement hormones and is available in 11 strengths ranging from grain, 16.25 mg, to 3 grain, 195 mg. It also contains naturally occurring thyroid cofactors T1, T2, calcitonin, and iodine, in trace amounts. NatureThroid is not FDA approved. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.